So it's time for us to go back to Bangkok. We're going to Bangkok. Okay, so there's 3 buildings. That's the building where we stayed. And this is the second building. Nice architecture. And this is the first building. So if you come here to Movenpick, you can choose which building you like. And this is the main building. We need to take our breakfast before we finally depart here at Movenpick. We'll have our bags stored first. Breakfast before leaving Movenpick. So again, there's 2 restaurants, Sapori Cucina and Flavors Restaurant. And this is the place where we're gonna have breakfast. Okay, so we came late, so we still have time to have a quickie breakfast. Hello, chef. How are you? Oh, those are my eggs. Oh, finished already? Oh, very fast, huh? You made them already, huh? Okay. Oh, well-cooked eggs. Oh, chef also made me some noodles very fast. Okay, I'll just wait for my food there. Okay, thank you. So I have salad and eggs and noodles coming. Again, we're going to eat with this very beautiful view of the golf course and the castle. It's our last day today. We've spent 2 nights here and we're going back to Bangkok. We'll share with the noodles na lang. Okay? Okay na yan. Time for breakfast na. So we're going back to Bangkok. May bala ka pang puntahan doon sa Bangkok? Ha? May bala kang puntahan? Wala na? Okay. Wow. We're about to leave and we're taking some video of this very beautiful resort together with the animals that they have here. Here you can see Movenpick. Pasyal muna kami ni Berna Baron. Yun, my Ozone Animal Club. Okay, so we told the buggy to wait. Ganda. Tingnan natin mga animals. Uy, ang dami palang animals dito, Mama Berna. Parang para tayong nasa silver saddle. Oo. Mag-i-enjoy yung mga bata dito. Oh, you have no food. You have to buy food. Oh. Ba't punta ka? You're not bringing them food. Inaamoy-amoy ka na, oh. Little Birds Club. Sanay ito, ang mga to. Sanay silang pinapakain. Yes, hello. Oh. Yes, you bring them food, but you have to pay for the food that they eat. Oh, ano meron dyan? Nako, sino bang mahilig sa mga animals? Si Evan ba mahilig sa animals? Ang ganda ng mga, ano yan? Mga deer? Huh? Oh, hello. 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 Baho mo. Ang babaho. Oh, yung tataba nila, oh. Matataba sila. Aba, may mga pigs din, oh. Pigs. Oh, it's a peacock. Kumakain siya. Oh, what are these 2 animals? Ano yung, parang beaver. Dalawa lang sila. Laking baboy. Dami silang alagang deer, ah. Ito galing siguro sa National Park. Uy, ano yun? Ano yung maingay na yun? Ganun pala mag-ingay si peacock. Sige pa, sige pa. Oh! Oh! Ganda ng buntot niya, oh.
Lalo na pag lumadlad yan.
Pag nagladlad yan, mas maganda pa.
Okay yan. Feather.
Oh! Yes, bagay dito yung mga bata kasi may animal feeding sila, eh. Oh, there's more pigs. Ko, dami nila.
Big row and small row.
Oh, this
600 baht.
this small horse, how much you ride?
200 baht.
Oh, 200 baht. Smaller the horse, cheaper, huh? Oh, look at this horse. He's so cute. Oh, they're waiting, oh. Hello, horsey. Oh, this is the bigger horse. This horse is more expensive. Horses may bite. Oh, you may bite. Masakit ka ba magbite? Brown and white color. They're waiting for customers, so. Well, it's a very nice place, especially if you have kids who love animals. Oh, like that dad there, oh, he's got his kid with him. Okay to, ah. Tapos you can even have coffee here, oh, habang binabantay mo yung mga kids mo. Saan? May manok na puti. Saan? O nga, ano? White chicken. O nga, no? It's a white chicken. Look at that. Hindi nakikita yung mukha niya. Ito, mangingitlog na yata, burning isa, oh. It's the zoo at Movenpick. White manok nga, oh. Kung tignan, pero sana tawagin mo yung golf cart.
Okay. Tapusin na natin dito, tsaka tayo
Ayan, bit-bit na yung anak niya, oh, to enjoy the animals. It's just nice to chill out here with the trees. Oh, basta may puno, masarap mag-chill. Yes, ang ingay ng mga manok here at the Movenpick. Oh, wala akong food. Walang food. Wala akong nakakita ng white chicken. Oh, I don't have food, oh. Oh, chicken, white chicken. Kala lang, may pagkain ako. You're looking for food? Uy, talagang manok na manok ka. Piti yung ano mo, ingay mo, manok na manok. Oh, bakit ang ingay mo? Mangingitlog ka ba? Oh, katabi ng manok. Si goat. Oh, yan. Pinupunta na niya si manok. Magkakaibigan sila eh. Right, we're done with the animals. Can we go to the Crystal House? My wife is there, huh? Okay. At least dito may buggy, you don't have to walk.
Just want to look at the spa. Is that spa? Yeah.
Yes, we have some.
This time we'll go to the Panacea Wellness Spa. It's closed? Okay, so we just take a look at it, huh? Okay, thank you. Maganda yung cafe niya, no? Maganda nga, oh. Kita ko nga, maganda siya eh.
Aircon.
Tsaka yung bubong niya, oh. Halaman. There's also hotel here in Movenpick. Oh, that's probably cheaper, huh? It's very nice. All with balconies. Yeah,
Anti-aging treatment.
Huh?
Anti-aging carbohydrate vitamin for refreshing body.
Oh, I see. Nice trees. So this is the Panacea Wellness Khao Yai.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's find out how it looks like. So this is a wellness center, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's very cold. Oh, looks nice. Okay, so what are the services you have here? Panacea.
Spa.
Huh?
We have spa.
Yeah, you have
Spa
spa.
and we are anti-aging wellness.
Anti-aging.
Yes, we have vitamin drip too.
Oh,
Yes.
anti-aging.
Yes, you can see.
Oh, okay, okay.
Spa menu.
Oh, that's the spa menu.
Yeah.
All right.
We have like this.
Okay, but what time you open?
We are open 8 a.m.
8 a.m.
Yes, and close 5 p.m.
5 p.m. Do you also take a sample of the blood to test your blood?
Yes, we have test blood too.
No, blood test you also have?
Blood test we have.
Oh, you have? Oh,
Yes.
okay. Oh, it's very nice. So, Panacea Wellness here in Khao Yai. Imagine, you can play golf. or you can opt to have a wellness. Here, it's all here, oh?
Yes.
Oasis of health, mental and sleep vitality. Wow. Oh, 50% discount. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Ka.